Imagine plunging into the dark Mediterranean in 1901, expecting sponges, and finding a 2,000-year-old computer. That's the Antikythera Mechanism, a relic so advanced it rewrote history. This wasn't just a tool, it was a steampunk planetarium. 30 bronze gears, some smaller than a pinky nail, tracked the sun, moon, and planets. It predicted eclipses, Olympic Games, even Venus's 462-year cycle. The Greeks weren't just philosophers, they were intergalactic time travelers. Joe Rogan and Graham Hancock lost their minds over this. "It's like ancient GPS," Hancock said. Joe leaned in, wide-eyed. Wait, how did they vanish this tech? Did the Romans melt it down? Or did aliens? Here's the gut punch. Solving it isn't a win. It's a warning. This device proves we had genius, then lost it. Wars, plagues, a civilization-wide hard reset. Imagine forgetting how to build smartphones. That's the Antikythera curse. Is this a one-off? Nope. Think Baghdad batteries, Nazca lines, Roman dodecahedrons. History's littered with WTF tech. The Antikythera is just the tip of the iceberg, or the shipwreck. Scientists recreated it in 2021. Turns out, it's more accurate than we thought. But the real question lingers. What else are we missing? The Antikythera isn't just a machine. It's a message from the past. Ready to question everything. The Antikythera Mechanism isn't solved. It's just getting started.